This is a love reading for you, Aries, for July to August. In this love reading, I'm going to do a heart shaped spread where on my left I will take out cards for you and on the right will be cards for your partner. So let us see how's the guidance for this love reading. Please note that this is a general reading, so everything will not resonate as it is with all Aries, and whatever will vary in the intensity. So who are you two in the relationship? What is the strength and challenges you both bring? How do you both see each other? What is the hope or fear the two of you have about the future together? What is the past you both are coming from? And how's the love reading? So you know you are not able to match the success your partner is experiencing work wise or business wise, or even maybe it is a certain job or work or employment that you are in. I'm seeing that your partner has created lot of success, enjoys lot of stature, respect, authority, but you are struggling to make money. It's quite possible that you're a simpleton, Aries. You don't work with the very smart way of doing things, and you stay very simpleton types, while your partner has way lot of ways to deal and build onto a business or employment terms. I'm also seeing that you're counting money, so there is, I don't see a stature here, I'm just seeing money. So some of you may be doing something very small, and it's not necessarily created a position or hierarchy or some kind of authority position for you just yet, but your partner is working with great stature and respect, and I'm seeing he or she may be very very well to do. Also, when I'm seeing these two cards, it's telling me you're hesitant, Aries, to ask for money from your partner. So while you're working hard and counting money and you want your situation to improve in a lot of ways, you're not asking money from your partner. So why you're hesitant, I don't know. Or you just want to keep your trying situation to yourself till the time you can figure something out, or till the time it is bearable for you. Now, this is how a lot of relationships are, or people who have regular jobs where things other than romance and intimacy take over the relationship. Here you both are so occupied or taken over by the work situation, some financial need, and there is just so much missing in terms of romance and intimacy. I'm not seeing really love in the air. I'm not seeing the two of you enjoying being happy. You're just caught up with making things work or happen, in terms of money, building things, just trying to get a grip materially on a lot of things. Now, what is the strength and challenges you bring, Aries? And what is the strength and challenge your partner brings? So I am seeing is you respect order. So your success or your lack of success is temporary, because I am seeing that you respect a certain order and you will follow your mentor very thoroughly or completely. So whatever you have been taught is being put to work, and if it is not yielding result, it doesn't dampen your spirit, because you know your mentor is very well to do, or your person who's hand holding you work wise is very well to do. So he or she is guiding you, and you seem to be temporarily making mistakes or trying to still figure out. Now, what is the strength and challenges your partner is bringing? Your partner is, you know, done things which seemed impossible to a very regular crowd. So, when a lot of people walked away from something very important, project wise or work wise, or from in terms of opportunity, your partner took it up and made it work. So I'm seeing he or she has worked with impossible and has created a lot of success, which we can see here. So, great spirit at work, and someone who took the opportunity head on and made it work for him or her. So, very nice. Now, how do you see your partner, and how does your partner see you? So, you have this great vibe and impression about your partner. You do see your partner as amazingly successful and who is very well rounded. You see your partner as someone who's well spoken, has great confidence, will extend a lot of emotional empathy or understanding, and will do what needs to be done when the calling is there. And also, he or she doesn't shy of taking on a competition, or having to fight out for a position or a certain project, or showcase their skill set. So you're very impressed, Aries, with your partner. And some of you may just be thinking, how did I land up finding such a great partner who's so successful, who loves to win, or who does create so much success. So some of you are very, very impressed with your partner. How does your partner see you? Your partner feels you don't have many friends, and that could be the reason why you don't create a lot of success, because you don't socialize. That may not truly be the reason, that whether you create success or you do not create success because of lack of friends. But I do see your partner seeing you as someone who doesn't have many friends. So you may be very work oriented, Aries, where you do talk to your mentor or your teacher, or you're doing some kind of project, or trying to start a business, but then you don't have a great social circle going. Also, some of you, while in your school days or college days, did not make any deep connection or have any great deep friends with you right now. So I'm just saying that you know your partner feels you're not very social or don't have many friends. That's it. That's the impression your partner has about you. Now let us see what is the hope or fear the two of you have about this relationship or time together, or how will the future pan out. There is a lot of thinking through talking that needs to happen for the future energy to improve, or future to show some kind of promise or commitment to the two of you. You feel very doubtful about this relationship. You're not sure if your partner will truly commit and take you with them, or will go to the next level with you or not. So you're not very sure, Aries, and you have your fair share of doubts, and you do seem to ask a lot to your partner whether he or she is committed enough, or will things work out or not. On the other hand, your partner feels you're too worked up, or you're forever at work to really think about family, marriage, children. So your partner feels right now is not the time to make plans for the future, and maybe take it a bit easy, or you need to take a holiday, relax, and if you need some medication for stress, then you should definitely take it. Your partner feels, Aries, right now things are not as strong, or as as obvious, or moving into a permanency zone. Your partner feels it's not showing up right now, that energy is not there right now. because he or she feels you're either too worked up or you're a workaholic and you're not spending enough time with each other to make that plan just yet. As I said, you both need to talk it out. There's a lot of thinking through that needs to happen for this relationship to move forward. What is the past you're coming from, Aries, and what is the past your partner is coming from? So, I'm seeing you have traveled a lot, and some of you have found great success. And this guidance is also telling me a lot of help has come your way to get to where you want to go or to show you a career path. So, I'm seeing in the past you've been guided very well, or you've had a lot of help coming your way work wise, and you may have traveled also. So, I'm just seeing very beautiful guidance here. In the past, your partner has refused a lot of people or a lot of opportunities till the time he or she was very sure. So, whatever success your partner has now could have come way earlier on had he or she not rejected opportunities so easily, and looks like he or she agreed maybe after a way too long, and when he or she could have agreed or worked with the opportunity way earlier. So either ways, I'm just seeing that your partner took his or her fair share of time to get into a certain mode, and then has landed up creating a lot of success. But it's working. Whatever happened in the past, whatever time you took, it's working because you seem to be doing very well, partner to the Aries. Now, how's overall the guidance for the love reading? It's a very, very genuine connection. The two of you are very real, and I'm seeing that this is how happiness looks. If someone were to say, how does a happy couple look? The happy couple looks like you. That looks like the two of you. You are happy. There are very genuine, real emotions between the two of you, and there is no insecurity, no jealousy, no holding back, no maligned interest. There's just pure love or very raw emotions between the two of you. You both are very real with each other. So I'm just seeing that, as I said, the modern day couple is someone who's too caught up with commitments and all, work commitments and all that needs to be done, so much responsibility, than enjoying the real love and intimacy and being together. So if you both had enough time at hand or had way easier lives, you would be those modern day Romeo Juliet. I'm seeing there's a lot of love, lot of real emotions, and you both feel the pull with each other. So emotionally you both are very deep, and this guidance is telling me when the connection is real, it will truly go very far or very long. So this is how the reading is, Aries, for you and your love interest.